Hello friend, this is Rajdeep. Welcome to Learning Insight for UGC NET JRF पेपर 2 सोशल वर्क. डिस्कस करेंगे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन जून 2012 पेपर 3. We'll solve with best explanations and this is day 2B. So I have divided the paper into two videos, that is 2A and 2B. If you have not watched my 2A, then please do watch it. And चले फटाफट से शुरू करते हैं. Okay, first question, that is 36. The concept of management by objectives was introduced by. So this was introduced by okay, who was introduced actually the concept of management by objectives? So it was introduced by Peter Drucker, and it's also known as MOB. Is a strategic management model and is aimed to improve performance of an organization. The term was first outlined by management guru, that is Peter Drucker, and he has published his book in 1954, and the name of the book was The Practice of Management. So he was also known as management guru, and he has developed the concept management by objectives. The next question, job security which fall under which of the following needs? Okay, job securities fall under the social need, no. Ego needs, no. Self-actualization, no. It's a last level of need. Safety needs, because psychologist Abraham Maslow proposed the theory of motivation, and here in the theory of motivation is also known as hierarchy of need, and it consists of 5 needs, that is physiological needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. So it's fall under job securities, fall under safety needs. Now the next question, that is 360-degree feedback is associated with. It's associated with performance appraisal, because it's a 360-degree feedback is a system or process in which employee receive confidential report or feedback from the public who work around them. So it's a system or process will get the confidential report from the public and of our surrounding. The medical and public health social work do not provide. So which one do not provide by the social worker in the medical and public health? We do not provide medical aid and diagnostic services, because it's the professional duties of the professional doctors. So we cannot provide the medical and diagnostic services. It is the duty of doctors who did their MBBS for this cause. Now what we can do psychosocial supports. We can help to caregivers, support discharged patients in their rehabilitation. Yes, these 3 we can do, but we cannot provide diagnostic services. Now next question, shareholders, employees, customers, suppliers, vendors, and society constitute. Okay, these are constitute our stakeholders. Next question, manic depressions, psychosis is associated with a bipolar mood disorder. Then anorexia is nervosa. Okay, nervosa is related to fantasy of oral impregnations. Then Then emphasia is associated with speech deficit. For that psychological phobia and the technical name, I will make one video. You please watch this video, so definitely will get in your exam from one of them. I will make one video on that. Now next question, that is client in metro cities demand problem resolutions in a rational and effective manner in the limited time. Yes, we want effective service, but in a very fast service we demand actually nowadays. So education create more expectations, and counselor must become sensitive to result oriented interventions. Yes, because now people are more educated, and they demand for they have the more expectations from the counselor, and so that counselor should be sensitive towards result oriented, time effective, and regional and rational solutions. So both are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now urban local bodies need to be strengthened by. Okay, how we can strengthen the urban local bodies? So what we can do all these things by defining clear functions. Okay, providing independent financial resources. Yes, we can providing autonomy to take decisions. Yeah, if we provide above 3, then we can strengthen our urban local bodies. So all of these are correct. Now, widow remarriage. Okay, widow remarriage is associated with Dayanand Saraswati. Sarvodaya is associated with Mahatma Gandhi. Then evolution of child marriage is associated with who was the social reformer, that is Shishya Chandra Vidyasagar, and the Sati is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. If you have not watched my videos of social reformer founders and place and the year, then please watch my video. Here you will get all the social reformers and the founders and the year and which place that was they took the reform. Okay, so this will be your sequence. Now, who coined the term conjugal family? Okay, conjugal family is coined by the term William J. Goody. So a conjugal family is a nuclear family that may consist of married couple with their children by birth or adoptions, or a couple who are unmarried or underage. So next question, there is patriarchal family is living at bridegroom residence. Okay, this is called patriarchal. Then matrilocal family is a living at bride residence. Living at bride residence is a matriarchal. And now avanchulocal family is a avanchulocal family. These are type of family that is living at bride maternal uncle's residence. Maternal uncle residence is known as avanchulocal. The neolocal is a having own setup. It's a very standard neolocal, having own setup. So this will be your sequence. Now, which one of the following is not a reason of single parent families? Okay, that may be reasons. Divorce may be reason, desertion may be reason, but transfer is not, because many times mother and father living separate because of their job. So transfer is not a single parent family reasons. No. Okay, probation service and titles. So what probation service includes? It includes a community-based treatment of offenders. It's a kind of rehabilitation services. Okay, probation in criminal law is a provider of supervision over an offenders ordered by the court instead of serving time in prison. So it's a kind of period of supervision over an offenders, and it's a better community-based treatment of offenders. Now, which of the following is not an intervention method in correctional setting? So in correction setting, actually entertaining guest is not a intervention method of correctional setting, because we can provide here group work, group therapy, case work we can conduct, family oriented counseling we can give, but we cannot entertaining the guest. So this will not be in interventions. Now, next question. Social defense is a broad concept that aims at defending society against crime by reintegrating the offenders back into the society. Yes, correct. Social defense attempts to prevent the emergencies of criminogenic situation through preventive programs. Yes, both are true actually. Now, which is not a challenge of managing urbanization? That is separating rural from urban areas is not a challenge of managing urbanization, because it's not a challenge actually, because managing urbanization, we already separate rural areas and urban areas. But what is the challenge? What will be the challenge? Sustaining the momentum in economic growth it will be challenge. Energizing cities become engines of nation development, it will be challenge. Then addressing urban poverty, it will be big challenge, but these will be a challenge. But separating rural from urban areas is not a big challenge. Now, enuresis is associated with insecurity, school dropout is associated with low achievements, and aversions to food is associated with poor mother-child relationship. Daydreaming is associated with threatening reality. So this will be your sequence. Now, next, home visit is associated with holistic assessment. Fact sheets is an intake, and process recording is a tool of learning and teaching, and evaluative summary is a evaluations. So this will be your sequence. Parole is associated with the attending of family function. Yes. Ticketless travel is a petty offense. Securing bail is dependence on court, and vocational training is a rehabilitation training. So this will be second. Name of the market driven device under the UNFC that allows developing countries to get funds incentives from the developed countries to adopt better technologies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So this is actually the clean development mechanism of the developed nation for towards the developing countries. Now, mental health team approach is essential for effective therapeutic process of child guidance clinics. It's an effective therapeutic process of mental health team towards child guidance clinics centers. Now, report on correctional administration 1951 Government of India was prepared by that is Dr. W.C. Reckless. In 1951, the Government of India invited the United Nations expert on correctional work Dr. W.C. Reckless under a study on prison administrations, and his report titled Jail Administration. So he was hired for the study, and this study is a prison administration, and he has submitted a report that is known as Jail Administration in India, and which caused the transform of jail system in a reformation system. So his contribution is huge in the prison administrations, we can say. Now, first model prism manual is reported was prepared in the year that is in 1959. Social work intervention with elderly does not include distribution of clothes and suite, because it includes providing psychosocial support, yes, arranging for treatment of health problem, yes, guiding group interaction, yes, we provide all this these services for providing social work intervention, but this is something charity, you can say, a social service for distributing of clothes and sweets. It's not a social work intervention, that is professional. Okay. Adjusting to marriage partners is a late adulthood situation. Then maintaining stable job is a middle age necessities, and the genetic disorder is mental deficiency. Yes, genetic disorder is a mental relatedness deficiency, and consistent career achievement is in young adulthood, because this is the tendency of young adulthood to consistent career achievement. The major principles of group work are the principle of group work we have to remember anytime they ask which you find out which one of the principles of social group work. So progressive program experience, guided group interaction, and specific objectives and evaluation, these are the principles of group work. Now, parenting has become challenging because of all of this. Disintegrating of joint family system, yes, this is one of the challenge. Then migration of rural population to urban areas. Migration of the yes, is one of the challenge. Parenting, then this integration of joint families, that is division of joint families, migration, and women gathering into gainful employment. Yes, women employment is also becoming challenging in parenting, because women take a huge part in parenting or socializing the children and families. So these all are the important challenges for parenting a child. Now, Jan Shikshan Sangstha provide vocational training occurs to the marginalized for their empowerment. Yes, the inclusion of STs and STs emphasized as beneficiaries in Jan Shikshan Sangstha due to their disadvantaged positions. Yes, both are true, because this Sangstha is inclusion of STs and STs to emphasize as a beneficiaries. Now, Balwant Rai Mehta was associated with community development, and Balwant Rai Mehta committee was originally appointed by the Government of India in 1957 to examine the working of the community development program. Remember, the community development program was launched in 1952, 2nd October, and the National Extension Service 2nd October 1953, and to suggest measures for the better working. So the Balwant Rai Mehta committee was associated with the community development, and it was a study that is originally examined by the Balwant Rai Mehta for the suggestion for measuring the better working of the community, better working positions. So through this study they have given suggestions. Now, who is the author of the book Integrated Social Work Practice? So the author of the book Integrated Social Work Practice is S.B. Desai. Now, which is not the function of hospital social worker. The registering new patients and issuing OPD cards is not a function of hospital social worker. Then what will be the fundraising for financial support to deserving patient? Yes, this is the function of hospital social worker. Counseling the patient and his or her family reluctant to undergo surgery. Yes, this will be the function. Then registering new patients and issuing OPD cards is not a professional social worker duty. It's a duty of data entry operator normally, or a clerical positions. Facilitating communication between the doctors and patient. Yes, it's a function of social hospital social workers. Now, the book on social work and integrated approach was authored by Sanjay Bhattacharjee, and it's a very popular book, and it was social work and integrated approach, and it was published in 2009. This Sanjay Bhattacharjee was the author. The book, the organized non-profit activity for public purposes outside of both market and state is called, it's called civil society sector. That is organized non-profit activity for public purpose and outside of both market and state is called civil society. So it's totally for the non-profit activity for public purpose. Now, Balika Divas in India is being observed. It was observed in 9 December, but currently Rashtriya Balika Divas is a day dedicated towards the welfare of the girl child in India. It's a current status, and the day is observed on 24th January, not 9 December, and every year to address the need and concern on a girl child health, nutrition, education among the masses. So it's a current Rashtriya Balika Divas informations, and it was something old during the 2013 actually, 12-13. The life satisfaction is an abstract concept because it's a very satisfaction something cannot be defined very clearly. It's a very difficult to define. That's why it's a abstract. It's a more than concrete level. So it's an abstract concept. Now thank you. This is all about. So I have finished the paper, and if you have not seen this 2A video, then please watch. So then by the 2 videos, then this paper is completed. Now if you like the video, then please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Please join my Telegram channel for all videos, test paper tips and suggestions. You can also join my Google Classroom for complete study material for social work paper 2, and please like my Facebook page. Yes, मिलते हैं next video पे. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.